Hello students, welcome back. Okay, class 10 subject IT under the NSQF scheme, subject code is 402, and today I am continuing the chapter 9 digital presentation. Today our topic is inserting transitions, animation, grouping objects and inserting speaker notes. Okay, so inserting transitions means this is a predefined animation you can select, or it will directly apply on our slides. Means we can say it will decide the how to open a slide to the audience. So inserting slides, a transition are the visual movement that occur in the slide show view when you move from one slide to another slide. Means between two slide animation will occur. Okay, but to show transition between slides, go to the transitions tab, then select the slide or slides that need transitions and select a transition in the transition to the slide gallery. Okay, so you can use this option and to apply transition between slides. Click the effect options. We can do so many things with our transition animation, and choose an effect on drop down list. For example, choose from top or from bottom to make a transition arrive from the top or bottom of the screen. Not all transition offer effect options. Okay, so means transition effect will come from top position, from bottom position. Okay, now you can choose a different transition in the transition to this slide gallery. Means there are so many type of different kind of transitions we can change, we can try, we can preview. You can also choose different effect options and sounds and change the duration of the transition. Here new thing is we can also give the background sound, we can also control the timing of our transitions. So this thing we can use. Okay, now here new thing is inserting animation. Animation means on a slide we have different kind of content. Suppose audio file, video file, chart, tables, our textual content, our headings, our symbols. So we can also give animation to this kind of data also. So our presentation will more animated and more impressive and more decorative. So animation means any kind of movement we can provide to our content. When it comes to animation, you can choose between animation schemes, the pre-built special effect made by the of Microsoft, or customized animation that you build on your own. Okay, means we can say in this predefined animation types are available. We simply select first our content and then select our animation and we can apply. Okay, here you can see, click the add animation button in the advanced animation group and you can add multiple animation to one object also. Means suppose you have a chart, so you can give one animation style, we can also provide one more animation style, and we can also give one more animation. Means a single object have multiple animation which will run one after another. Click on the preview button on the animation tab anytime to see what the animation looks like and modify if necessary. Means we can check our animation, test our animation, and then we can finalize our animation with the help of preview button. Okay. Now grouping object. Okay, grouping object means suppose we have rectangle, circle, lines and triangles, and I want to group this object and create a one entity. Okay, create a one big object. It is also possible. So grouping object means suppose we have a different kind of graphic symbols such as rectangle, circle, lines, triangle. So we can also group this thing. So we can group object so that you can treat the group as one object. We can remove the group object and get all the object out of the group. We cannot group the object in the placeholder. Okay, placeholder means in this placeholder, or we can say in the text box, we can type our textual content. So it is not possible. In order to group object, following are required steps. First, to select each thing, each object, hold the control key, then select the another object and hold the control key again and select the another object. Then you click the format tab and click the option arrange group, then group options. A drop down menu appear, click the group option. So this separate object will become a one object. Okay. We can also ungroup this object. Okay, ungroup facility is also available. We can again separate this object. Okay, so it is possible. So we can also group our objects. Now inserting speaker notes. Okay, this facility also available. We can record our lecture or audio with our content in advance and it will play automatically. So it is also available. So inserting speaker notes is every slide of the presentation contains this area where you can write whatever notes you pointed out for yourself only at presentation. You can even print the notes so you may see the notes for every slide of your present. The audience and the viewer will just see the slide in full screen view. However, you will be able to see the slide along with the notes in each slide. The two ways in which you may add the notes. First method is in the normal view of the slide. Below every slide there is an area meant for input of in speaker notes. The second method is click on view tab, click on notes page from the presentation view group. Means we can summarize this thing in this manner. Suppose you have already created a slide, means you mention only key points, but you want to describe. Okay, so below the slide you can see a small area which is available for writing the complete description of our slide. We can type the detail in the below the slide notes page option, and then we can print this notes page and we can use this. Okay, so we can use method 1 or we can use method 2 to record our theoretical detail of each and every slide. Okay, below the slide, the small section, we can say this is a notes page, and in this notes page we can type the detail of our current slide. Okay, we can also print out this notes page, and then we can use when you present your presentation to the viewers, to the audience. Okay, so dear student, today I am discussing about the animation things, transition effects. It is used to animate each and every slide opening. Now animation on the slide content, we can also give the animation, and suppose we have more than one object, we can also group and ungroup also, and we can also write the detailed description of each and every slide content below the slide a small area. We can say this is notes page, and we can also print this notes page for your future reference. Okay students, thanks for attending the online class. You can see the below comment box. You must type your name and class with section following question answer. Today my question is, what is transitions? Second question is, how to group multiple objects, mention steps. And my last question is, how to insert a speaker notes, mention steps. Above answer will type in below comment box. Okay, after writing above answer in comment box, and then type your question, your doubt also. Okay, you can discuss with me your doubts and your query. So I will see in comment, then I will definitely reply. Okay, thank you students.